And Marcus is hungry and Marcus thinks ordering food late at night is a bad idea, and then Marcus has to wake Steve up. And Marcus also consults Steve about ordering food late at night. And Marcus does not understand whether it's right to order food at night or not. And then Marcus comes to Lucas and Marcus is also consulting Lucas about ordering food late at night. But Lucas does not think it's a good idea and Lucas does not want any problems late at night. And Lucas also does not want any strangers to know our home address. And while Marcus is very hungry and Marcus does not have any other options, and Lucas does not like Marcus' idea, and then Lucas and Marcus check the drawer but they see expired food in the drawer. And Marcus does not want to eat expired food and then Marcus has to order food and Lucas hopes that there won't be any problems with ordering food at night. And then after 10 minutes Lucas sees a light at the gate and Lucas does not see any car and then Lucas and Marcus try to talk on the mic and Marcus does not get any answer on the intercom and then Lucas and Marcus look at the camera and there is a man in the camera near the gate and this man is holding food in his hand and Lucas and Marcus do not see any car with him. And Lucas and Marcus see that this delivery boy is wearing a mask. And Lucas and Marcus tell this delivery boy to drop the food and Lucas and Marcus are very surprised to see the delivery boy in the mask. And the delivery boy is trying to show the food on the camera. And Lucas and Marcus feel something is wrong and then Lucas and Marcus get in the car and head towards the gate. And Marcus did not expect that there would be a mess. And then Lucas and Marcus try to find the delivery boy at the gate and Lucas tries to check every place at the gate and then Marcus gets a notification at the front door and Lucas does not find anything in the trash can either and Lucas and Marcus are wondering where the delivery boy could have disappeared to and Lucas and Marcus have to go back home and Lucas and Marcus don't find anything at the gate but they find a McDonald's bag on the front door and Lucas and Marcus think that maybe the delivery boy dropped the food on the door. And Lucas and Marcus pick up the bag and go inside and Lucas and Marcus see the nuggets in the bag and Lucas and Marcus can't understand where the delivery boy disappeared to.